In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create project automations on Monday.com so you can save time, reduce manual work, and keep your projects running smoothly. Automations are one of the most powerful features inside Monday.com because they let your board take action automatically based on triggers that you define. Whether you want to assign tasks, send notifications, or move items when a deadline arrives, you can set it all up in just a few clicks. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials. Now, let's jump right in. Step 1 is to log in and open your board. Go to Monday.com and sign into your account. Once you're inside your workspace, open the specific board for the project where you want to add automation. Automations are board-specific, so you need to be inside the correct project board before setting anything up. Make sure your columns, such as status, date, and person, are already created, because automations will rely on these columns to function properly. Next, open the Automation Center. At the top right corner of your board, click on the Automate button. This will open the Automation Center, where Monday.com provides a wide range of pre-built automation recipes. These recipes are ready-made combinations of triggers and actions, designed to cover the most common workflows. You can scroll through the categories or use the search bar to quickly find an automation that matches what you need. Now it's time to choose an automation recipe. You'll see options like when status changes to done, notify someone. Every time a date arrives, move item to group. Or when an item is created, assign it to someone. These recipes follow a simple structure. When something happens, then something else happens automatically. Pick the one that fits your workflow best and click Add to Board. This will open a customization window, where you can tailor the automation to your specific board setup. After adding the recipe, customize the automation. You'll need to map your board columns to the automation fields. For example, if the trigger is based on a status column, select the exact status column from your board and define which label, such as Done or In Progress, will activate the automation. If the action involves notifying or assigning someone, choose the correct person column. If it's date-based, select the appropriate date column to control timing. Once everything is configured properly, click Save to activate the automation. From that point forward, it will run automatically in the background. Now test the automation to make sure everything works correctly. Change a status, create a new item, or adjust a date, depending on the trigger you selected. Watch your board carefully and confirm that the automation performs the expected action. If something doesn't work as planned, go back into the Automation Center and tweak the settings. Testing ensures your workflow runs smoothly without unexpected issues. Finally, manage and monitor your automations. Click Automate and then go to My Automations to see a list of all active automations on that board. From here, you can edit, disable, or delete automations as your project evolves. As your workflow becomes more advanced, you can stack multiple automations together to eliminate repetitive tasks and improve team efficiency. And that's it. You now know how to create project automations on Monday.com to streamline your processes and save valuable time. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.